In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up Odoo database. To begin, open your Odoo server in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account that has access to the database management area. Once the home screen loads, take a moment to locate the database section. In many Odoo setups, this is found in the main interface, often near the top or in the navigation area, and it is the place where you can manage what happens to your data. Now go to Database. When you click that, you should see options related to databases, including settings and backup tools. If you do not see the options immediately, look for a menu or a drop-down that groups database actions together. The key point here is to reach the area where Odoo manages database-level functions. After you open the database view, click on Settings. This step matters because backup options are not always visible right away from the default database screen. The Settings area usually organizes the controls you need, including management actions and any maintenance tools related to your database. Next, once you are inside the Settings and Management area, look for a section that says Manage, click Manage to continue. This takes you one level deeper, where Odoo lists the actions you can perform on your database. Depending on your Odoo version and layout, the wording may appear exactly as Manage, or it may be presented as the main control area for database maintenance. Either way, you want the screen that gives you the database operation buttons. Now that you are in Manage, find the button or option labeled Backup. Click Backup. At this point, Odoo will prepare a database backup. This is the file that you can download and store safely. It is a good idea to wait until the system confirms that the backup process is ready, rather than closing the page early. Once you select Backup, you will be taken to the final confirmation view, or you will immediately see the download option appear. Now click Backup again, but this time choose the option that downloads the backup file. The wording is often repeated because the first click opens the backup tool, and the second click actually triggers the download of the resulting backup archive. When you click Backup to download the file, pay attention to your browser download behavior. Your browser may show a progress indicator, or it may display a small prompt that the file is downloading. Make sure the download completes successfully. It can also be helpful to check where your browser saves files, so you know exactly where to find the backup afterward. After the file finishes downloading, take a quick moment to confirm the backup file exists in your Downloads folder or in the location your browser uses. You can also check that the file has a reasonable size, since a full database backup should not look unexpectedly tiny. If something seems off, you can repeat the backup process, but do not assume the backup is ready until the download is complete. Finally, remember that a backup is only useful when it is accessible and stored safely. While Odoo provides the download, your responsibility is to keep the file somewhere secure, such as a reliable external storage location. This way, if you ever need to restore, you have the backup available. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.